अच्छा, नाउ वी विल रीड अबाउट सम ऑफ दी हैंड डिफॉर्मिटीज़। तो इसमें अगर हम लोग देखें तो यहाँ पे ये क्लॉ हैंड है, ठीक है। इसमें हमारे पास जो मेटाकार्पोफेलेंजियल जॉइंट है इसकी हाइपर एक्सटेंशन हुई हुई है और बाकियों की जो है वो इंटरफ्लेंजियल जॉइंट्स की फ्लेक्शन हुई हुई है। दिस इज़ कॉल्ड क्लॉ हैंड, ठीक है। दिस इज़ एन अल्नर नर्व डैमेज। देन वी हैव अ रिस्ट ड्रॉप। दिस इज़ एन रेडियल नर्व डैमेज। वी आर अनएबल टू एक्सटेंड आवर रिस्ट एंड वी आर अनएबल टू एक्सटेंड आवर फिंगर्स, ठीक है। Then this is shown, same thing is shown over here as well. This is Dupuytren's contracture. This is due to thickening of the palmar fascia, and in this the hands will be pulled into flexion towards the palm. And then this is another deformity. This is a swan neck deformity. This is a swan neck deformity. In this the proximal interphalangeal joint, so we have a metacarpophalangeal joint that's here, and then we have two interphalangeal joints. So in the proximal interphalangeal joint that is closer to the palm, we have hyperextension, and in the distal interphalangeal joint we have flexion, and bottom is the opposite of this. So this is the bottom deformity. We can see that in the proximal interphalangeal, this is again the swan neck deformity. Here is the bottom deformity in which the proximal interphalangeal joint is turned into flexion while the distal interphalangeal joint is turned into extension. This is bottom deformity while this is swan neck deformity. So don't get confused, just remember about the swan neck deformity, that the proximal will be hyperextended and the distal will be flexed, and then just do vice versa in case of bottom deformity. Then this does look like the wrist drop, but you can see it's very different. So wrist drop is just like your fingers are like turned here. Now what is this sign? This is not wrist drop, okay? This is not wrist drop. This is hands in, this is a Trocho sign which is done to check for hypocalcemia. This happens in tetany. Whenever there is hypocalcemia, tetany occurs, and then this is a hand sign that we do. What we do is that we inflate a BP cuff and we inflate it till more than the person's systolic blood pressure, and we remain there for 3 minutes, and then this sign is seen. There's another sign which I don't have a picture of, but you can see it. It's called Chauvistic sign. It's also for hypocalcemia, in which you tap a person's face and it twitches, and it also shows hypocalcemia and tetany. This is a sign that is, you can see that the fourth metacarpal is shorter than the others. Why is the fourth metacarpal shorter than it should be? Here there can be two things. It could be pseudo hypopituitarism. That's one condition in which the fourth metacarpal is shorter, and then it could also be Turner syndrome. Okay, so this is all about the deformities of the hand commonly encountered in patients during general physical examination.